All right, Memobia, good evening, and welcome to my page. I am here this evening to brief you on many other issues, including the case at the Tema High Court, that is the case between Empress Gifty and Agradaa, Patricia Sedua, at the High Court. That is the defamation. And of course, this case has been in the news for quite a long time now. And the case was the last time I joined to today. And the case was called off this morning at Tema High Court. And that is basically what I'm going to explain to you, the details of the outcome of the court. And before I do that, I want to address this thing. And Abrante yourself, Jemeso, Agradaa Nkwara Nibi. Montwe Jemeso Emra Hana, Yanka 7 years and 723. And I remember the video being on say, on the court report to ye ma, the web me free a courtroom. I am a person with this information about Bonting, and of course, say, was on the court report to ye. Tell me, can say, Agradaa, my presence at the time in court yesterday, Ewa Masama Hon. It wasn't pleasant to her. Inti Siama sorry. Or sorry, you know, and check, Anna. A police in the bar no beje me phone. Court. Over the years now, by the grace of God, my experience in the media for more than 22 years, I have reported number of court cases, number of court cases when I was writing for the New Crusading Guide as regional reporter or correspondent. Inti seven periods and yen and I maybe cultural story and I make a court story now will be a court now a courtroom now me a phone now cultural. What a courtroom into a picture, into a video. Even unche dan cultural say you can't now watch baby. If we case here, then you go to the registrar and then you request for the proceedings of the court. Inti obeje me phone, oje me phone no. Let me then find because there was nothing I was doing with my phone, which later Agradaa a signal a lawyer after the signal no. I know make a tell me info. Oje me so. Chire me bia na ogina nra ewo Venice Amasama High Court. Who James no ni ho. Enti me hu ni say wo yakwara. Enti nkwara asem na wo ye. But I just want to make this clear say. When pa no say wo police ni. No betimi ababo my two abomu say na sebe. Hode ni nkura asem me kasa yi. Say obeme ababo ya be. Odo na o me bo ma abomu ni de me call ye. And in a case, so now yes, said you want to defeat me because I was able to come back again. Because me who say Sadi and no more year, I also called some people within the powers of the court, and then I was asked to go back. And the grandpa, it is not anything that I should even talk about it. Wow, Mujame, so you weren't there. Now when you see you ho, and you can't so much on out to papa. So, oh, ya bufra, oh, ya bufra, why? And the ya no, ya wasam. Oh, your madam, and I was on the supreme. Massam grown to me, anka. Me catch it. You know, also your madam now, no, your supreme, Agradaa. Ah, now the also on the supreme cry, me massam. When to me and Kada and do James Yakwada to Nyoga kind in an Yanocre. I am men this information about 2 Bontin first. and you'll be a report to you. When I'm a reporter here, Adom FM. And a man, Nipa said that was what, that is what actually happened in the courtroom. And I wanted that to be known in the public. Because now maintaining na police before no more Amasama court or no more patch. And then very simple. Prison officer being so bad on other cameras, I don't want to talk to you because Embrana Crown say, Obi Bia or a home quine self person court could tear some and Rama quine out to me could not court. Where that's a case war, and now only case in the Elho. Obo a home quine self court now could see the proceedings of the various cases across the San and man is so be our quine. I just say, and Miranzo or how I walk court and I say, misbehavior. What contempt, no? Contempt, you can be cited for contempt, which is there. In do court and just okay any open. In Tijameso, some more kind, mom to baby, because we'll be anywhere bit me. I will be group or when I put the phone born a boom or then they look at all this childish year or became. Well, we went mass in the first place, Jameson. That's why I quada, or madam on a crown went to me. Inti Pakahungu baby. Why a dosso Pakahungu baby? Why? A madam went to me. Inti ever no crown trinching. Made cycle back Cotra ho, ebu. I don't know that I went to my police for Kunana can have my permanent free. Yeah, my judgment in as I know. I don't know my permanent free. Inti ever no crown trinching. I feel Mr. Ghana police for say Cyber Security Act 2020 it makes it uhuahi ewo ade a wire social media no so and some of us you make sure say uhuahi is arrested and prosecuted ewo say ankrase de man na wire social media man crofo woro no omo ho nti mon send this one into uhuahi say some of us you stand firm and go according to the law and make sure that Uhuahi is arrested and not even to be arrested but to be prosecuted. Because Emrani Tiani Oyeno. Emrano Etiania Oyeno. Ti mon share page na mon kan sa 7 channel. Over to me the comment aba. Mon fam comment mra na fe. So that is just by the way. I was there throughout the proceedings of the case. A course. Now we maintain police if one war Amasaman High Court. Any prison officers are more Agradaa by. I am just asking this question, say, what actually transpired that motivated you so much that you were covering Agradaa from being captured? What was the motivation? Agradaa is not a suspect that by law untimi imposino na untimi video na untimi kano. Agradaa a convict. She's been sentenced. He's been convicted. And it's what the convict eba court. Ewo nasam fufu bi ho a. Also a prison officer. And you are covering Agradaa and then pushing media people away because of what? Is it because you have been motivated and that you were preventing you? Yes, for protection, it should be given to Agradaa. When you talk about protection, fine, it should be given to Agradaa. No, because baby or penny she should be protected. But she shouldn't be covered and then media people will be pushed away by you because I was to say Agradaa or no na catch them say any some of them we channel. And when to Obano, no ma cover ni tiri na mudi ni benkum ni fana or the bewura aka what at all? What at all? E dey na motivate muntia and some prison for amode Agradaa ba anra no. E dey na motivate mu amasama ho. Enti na mo prevent media people not to video her. What actually motivated you? Is it because of Musika now? Is it because of Agradaa Musika? Okay, 31st of this month, Obeba Accra High Court. One appear Belly card and Yabeba Hubi. Edu ha Monsama Covano. And some prison officers. Muhammadu Mumbai. Edu ha Mumma Covano say more media people and media persons in channel video and I see in channel picture. The media has the right to take pictures of a convict, but not a suspect. Agradaa is not a suspect. Agradaa is a convict. She's been sentenced. Inti sa the picture of some momo cover Agradaa because mon person media for be piano no. It is wrong, and it is telling some of us that something might have even happened in terms of motivation. And that actually motivated you to embark on that course. Agradaa is a person or human being like the people who have been imprisoned or sentenced. So there wasn't any way you people should have covered her and then push the media away. Or about at the first, we will come there. She needs protection. That is fantastic. Obia here protection, and particularly or no, and I'll be a convict. We here protection. Yet I say, but it shouldn't go beyond that. The perception that people are even having in their various minds. It shouldn't be that. It should not be. How special is Agradaa, and that she will be covered. For protection, as I've already indicated, she needs to be protected, but not to be covered from the media. No. And my question is, what actually motivated you to embark on that course to prevent media people taking pictures or videos of convicts? Inti yemfa no enwo na yemra mo share page ni ma me na momo love no so. This is my two baby. Madam nyina answer mo hwe me hu comment bi am fa mo comment na yen kan fa mo na yenko Empress Gifty ni Agradaa case na wo Tema High Court ene no mo court nti sa case na ma bia ba beto dada say Agradaa koye complaint e Tema Committee 1 police station a day before she was sentenced. Now July 2nd 2025, and I did what call ya say or call Tema High Court hono and call for ebe huru no na or allege say Empress Gifty and a bomb of palm be huru inti or report to my Tema Committee 1 former Committee 1 police for Bechire echi nipa miense bia omo esusu say yes ankrofo ni bia apparently yes say san ankrofo no kwa no muni ho Agradaa so usika enti obia na oye bibia se na ope ena ne lawyers so tworo ye e de koka omo case ho kire say ma me making kind ne a ne lawyers no tworo ye no e de koma Tema High Court omo ade atache woman sama moka say saa de ni ntino enne so mo kokoto a se no munim say bibi kura besi kura say ebeduru na Agradaa na oni hobby like odem na me ma what Let me see. About share page in the moment now. Or comment to be how bet me that better I can kind the amount. Share the page for me. Never or comment to bra. Oh, where is the letter? Wow. Letter night. Bye. Kais. What I want to find I was saying, me there's me who rating. I'm more. Intimidate you and say, Omo catch the court no. I say, send them for by ya now Muhuti Agradaa. So my security. They are in fear for their client. Agradaa. Inti. So Obeba court to Nedia. Almost the command court to say on beef up security. Ever court. I have 70 any. Again, before be an ehu. Again, before be an ehu. Or no Agradaa no crown. I will cast a 7. I'm a lawyer for now. I got 2 court anymore. Or no so up a fans. France never no swing na so na ni age. As we won guitar from papa men French am. No so na ni age. So that was exactly what they attached to their rate and now say their motion. It is no but na me court no. Almost some of kind in tia was say. Nan kan na mo be ka order for injunction. No mo pese Omo esre court to someone fan to Agradaa so say ne be ya. On kan gifty adoya na Empress Gifty ehun asem bio kopem say won be di asem na bi. Ono ene ne agent e biti say akoya o say fe na jemeso yi. Ene omo anka ka ho nyina ne omo so called bloggers no. Omo ntumi nka Empress Gifty ho asem bia bio kopem so me di asem na bi. That was what they were praying for court no so mo betimi court betimi yama o enti no na nka mo koka ne but mo koduru ne no na Agradaa lawyer for so afale application for application e kire say no Agradaa nte Accra bio enti sanete dia wo mo mfa asem no enko Eastern region and Eastern region no ebetimi aye any town that has a high court in the Eastern region. Adeya omasem ne say Agradaa say onte Accra bio ntomu yi asem nko ho na mramu no usi obi defamation say there it should be a place of abode of the person baby oni panete and they say nampa onte obio inti Among Fanko is in region. In Jesus, no Empress, a lawyer for so a file. Almost a file. Affidavit in motion. And now say, I'm counter. As some now, my cano. No more day, almost factors in here. No more cano. Among parents to say, you the next I joined dating. And no one has on my and it is Embrano. Any nasam cano, tactics. It should be tactical, strategic. I will be to delay process. And this is one of those lawyer for be here to delay process, frustrate you. Enti, Sane Koye, Omo de Ashe, Omo de date no Ashe October 15th. October 15, 2025. The whole of August, I have vacation for lawyers. Indino. Lawyer for Bejo Mahome. And ask for judicial service. For judicial service, vacation. We are lawyer cry judicial service for no more break into you work from home. What did you go as a court to resume? Now, what could do us? And it's sanity, but common sense and common knowledge will tell you, say, Agradaa, the defamation or civil case. And ya bribia na we here, very simple. Defendant no, our court. Defendant no near, or no, will be a civil no, and no cosi will be a plaintiff. Enti, say defendant nimpo ni ha. She can be represented by somebody, and Agrada's representation is their lawyers. And now, yeah, can say common sense near canoe. What they ever see the mumrampa. Ye chair dream poor, of course, there be a maraud and chair dream. But I say, chair dream what you want to call a one. Agradaa for now, oh ho, only ho. Ye hear so baby in a court and sign a can, civil case as him. Ain't he? Young fan say, almost almost pays in region. Na Agradaa anti hontino, a coin trap anything. The coin trap a anything. He say, no, ba. Ye hear so about civil case move. Agradaa, a background to M1 Hoka civil case in Agradaa influence someone. Police, prison officers, a mon hoka, and fan mra a friend saying, Accra and Tema. No. Nemo no, or you will be seen a nine. Now, someone a caution. A dear man says, some of the assembly call Eastern region. Agradaa wants a woman. Now, some of the assembly call Cocoa. I go call High Court to I want to say Eastern region. All the assembly call and Cocoa. Sad time, no. Agradaa beko and answer one call. Of course, in this very case, you know, ye court to nature then here Agradaa and son of Macasem. Inti, what are they talking about? One fans also pay in region, okay, they are called Eastern region. Yet the call Eastern region. Eastern region, I the call ye, the Conco call, also wants a home. If it in some a Conco call was say fitting and some a batema. Nti hodi nkobekwa na yefa no nto nchen. Agradaa cases owo bia eye criminal no. Court aban ebe hye prison officers am Agradaa omo de na bada bia. But criminal cases no enke for 2 weeks bia na journey case. But in this very instance no court betimi aye no 1 month say na be ya ebe flexible for the prison officers. Into every month be our case here, obeba. Prison officers don't need to come back because a criminal case and we are buying at the Republic versus or no. Into once a Republic versus Agradaa no a criminal case, particularly when they are pay a biblical no. I bind the neighbor friends and woman ba. Senko war Tamalimpa and a 7 war Accra. I bind the neighbor. I just want to cancel okay. Sanity there. I buy say or walk into young copy high court ones a tamale woman. A dear fine. Indeed, as someone here, the person to be in court personally. And then I can say in the sanity the Evanco is in region. And then I'll be to my casa. Anyway, when you're one of the factors here, I don't speak for them. Minimum strategy on the year. But if I were to be a lawyer, this could be one of my factors to argue in court. Where one of my factors are, make me argue in court. Actually, court to say, when you know, I'm a cancer. And ye into court and into because when you panagasano, ye court to nature then hiano, or no casa de bia or court, and I say. Eastern region, you know. Ain't he? Evan say, Bibini, now say, Agradaa no pay appeal. and I say ope appeal. Yeah, all the some and some and I cook food ya, echo order, echo any of the towns are a war eating region. None appeal no our filing. A boom. Now see here Agradaa. Near can't say you know back cry. Now if you don't matter go ye free. Kofodia, near Sandy about a cry view. Say or dance a woman ye. Be to me about a prison for a shame. I'm to make a summer transfer Agradaa free and some prison. Ed and Nako, Abia Centra. I'm an Akodaho. And was a banner's answer. Oh, but say ya 7 free, Kofodia, at the Akko Centra now. Indeed, this could be one of my factors if I were to be a lawyer in this very case. Indeed, a tactical move to delay process. Indeed, a course or court, no, you be a course or aye. In a course, no. And I say, a GNT lawyer on a Empress Gifty lawyer. Your kind. What am I doing? Uh-huh. Okay, Auntie Nanya is here, Empress Gifty, a lawyer at Church. Uh-huh. Auntie, we're looking forward to seeing the next agenda here, October 15, 2025, and see if the lawyer's argument could make a difference. And that a bit Miyama almost also every new case and I say the argument from Agradaa's lawyer will also win the that particular motion on filing. I hear the matter of jurisdiction, baby. They say Agradaa Kwakudino. I'm also winning then. Our not just a be yes, I'm not free. Tema High Court. No matter paper before for us, I could see Agradaa. So this is what actually happened. And then, Madina, I heading on a comment will appear here. So I'm not seeing any comments. It is shocking to me that nobody has commented, or the comments are hidden. Anyway, Inti, Madam say, Moti me. Madam Moti, Inti. Nami Adoma. The best essential. Bibi Archer Wadria, which me friend me 0544 241685. That's all. After 10, men friend. 10 p.m. men friend. Right. And Opanzo, Obafra, if it 10 and a pattern echo. Madama. Very simple, you can just WhatsApp. Now, and I'll be here on my tester. And I'm very respondable. 0544 241685. That's it. Near Corso. I don't know. That's a bit brave.